Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you another small business idea. If you're thinking of starting a business from home with minimum investment, this is a business that you should consider. We are going to make bottled lemon tea. Very little investment required. If you have a refrigerator at home, you can start making this business. All you need is a hot stove and a refrigerator to keep your bottled lemon tea chilled. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Black tea. I will use Thai tea for this, but you may use any black tea that you prefer. Strong black tea is preferable for this. I would not recommend a fruity tea as it could clash with the taste of the lemon. Sugar. You may use brown or white sugar. Lemon. I am going to use a bottled syrup, but you may use freshly squeezed lemon, lime, or calamansi juice. Water. We will be making a batch of 5 liters. Stay tuned until the end of this video because I'm going to show you the costing and my recommended pricing for this bottles of lemon tea. First step, bring your water to a boil. Once it starts boiling, add your tea. Give it a stir to make sure that all the tea leaves are infused with your water. Turn off the heat. And we are going to steep it for 10 minutes, starting now. Put the lid on to keep the aroma in. After 10 minutes, strain. I am using a cloth strainer here or a tea sock. This is a very useful tool when brewing your tea. Whilst the tea is still warm, add the sugar. Add the lemon juice, or in this case, the lemon syrup. Stir the mixture well to dissolve the sugar. After straining your tea leaves out, the resulting brewed tea would be less than the 5 liters that we started with. Add 1 liter of plain water. To me, the taste is just perfect. Make sure it's a little bit sweeter than your normal preferences because once you chill this, the sweetness level will go down. So for now, I'm happy with this. I'm going to let it cool down and we're going to wait to bottle it later. Once the lemon tea mixture is ready, you may start to bottle them. I am using 500 milliliter bottles or equivalent to 16 ounces. This bottled lemon tea may be consumed directly from the bottle or poured over ice. There you go, the batch yielded 12 bottles. Once you finish bottling them, you may add a sticker label of your logo and that is already value added to your lemon tea in bottles. How can you adjust the taste of these lemon tea? If you use fresh lemon or calamansi or lime, the taste will be even better, but you might have to adjust the proportion of the sugar that you are using. Because I use syrup here, which is already sweet, I could afford to use about 600 grams of sugar. If you use fresh lemon, lime, or calamansi, you might have to make your sugar more than what I put here. But regardless, the taste will be perfect. Iced tea, iced lemon tea is very saleable in the Philippines and all over. Easy to make, easy to sell. Now let's look at the costing. For the black tea, what I used was 75 grams of black tea. Depending on the strength of your black tea, you may increase or reduce the proportion. For the sugar, I used 600 grams. Once again, you can adjust the sweetness level. For the lemon, I used syrup, so that is already sweet. So you might need to adjust your sugar level if you are using fresh calamansi or fresh lemon and lime. Let's look at the costing. I'm going to use Philippine pesos as my base currency here. You can change this depending on the currency in your own country. For the black tea, 75 grams at 300 pesos per half a kilogram of black tea. The total cost is 45 pesos. For sugar, 600 grams, assuming 50 pesos per kilogram of white sugar, the total cost is 30 pesos. For the lemon lime syrup, assuming that each bottle of 750 milliliters, this is about 300 pesos. The total cost of 200 milliliters of lemon lime syrup is 80 pesos. The total cost is 155 pesos for the juice alone, and divided by 12, that means per bottle is 13 pesos for the lemon tea. If the cost of the bottle is 10 pesos, the total cost of this lemon tea in bottle is 23 pesos. Now, how much can you sell this bottle? What my suggestion is to sell it at least 2 to 3 times your cost, depending on whether you're selling it from home or you're selling it from a shop. If you're selling it from a shop, you have to include the cost of your rent, the cost of your fixed costs, and your overhead. But whatever it is, this is not a difficult business to start with. You can start making bottled lemon tea with very minimum investment, and you can even do this from home. And if you're hardworking enough, you can distribute it in your area. Stay tuned for more of these video tutorials. In the meantime, don't forget to click that subscribe button below, like, comment, and share the love. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.